Where's your hair? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Yeah, good job. Where's your belly? Where's your belly? Wait. Show me your belly. Ashton, where's your belly? Can you show Mommy? Oh, there it is. There's your belly. Good job. Where are your toes? Yeah, we need a snack break. Can you show Mommy where your toes are? That's your toes? Can you sit and be patient? Sit. Show Mommy where your toes are. Where are your toes? You show Mommy?